Today I am reviewing this tall office chair, drafting chair. It has this really cool bottom right here. So give it a little closer look. Really nice seat right here, nice and wide, contoured right here. You can see it kind of swooshes down. You have these 4 points of support, nice mesh backing. Again, conforms to your body. Nice armrest. They can move up or down, and very solid metal legs right here with roller wheels, and it has this cool thing right here you can rest your feet on, and it is adjustable. You just untwist this, move it up or down, and something I'm going to show you now. You can see all the support right here. Really nice, easy to move around in, and it goes up really tall, which is nice. See how tall it goes? Look at it compared to my standing desk. So you can actually basically stand at this at a standing desk, which is really cool. You see I'm here working at my standing desk, and then I can easily just go back to sitting down, and see this little cushion it has here? It has a little shock in it, which is really nice. And then, you know, my feet are resting down here, super comfortable. If I just want to stand, you know, and not have to adjust my desk back and forth, I can go from sitting to standing. I'm standing, then go right back to sitting without having to adjust my desk or my chair, which is really nice. Nice to sit up nice and tall, and overall a great chair. And I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.